everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about dishwasher detergent not dissolving. I'll be specifically telling you how to fix it. Now, I actually had that problem with this new dishwasher. The detergent pod was not dissolving. I'm not talking about liquid detergent. I'm talking about the detergent pod, those little pods that you put in that little slot over here. Now, it wasn't dissolving, okay? And I figured out what the potential causes were, and then that allowed me to figure out how to fix it, okay? Very simple and straightforward. So basically, I'm going to go over the four reasons why your dishwasher detergent pod might not dissolve, and then I'll tell you what you can do to fix it, okay? Let's get right into the video. The first reason why is the water isn't hot enough because it's actually not set to a hot enough temperature. So on your water heater, whether it's a water heater tank or a tankless water heater, there's going to be an adjustment knob or a digital adjustment dial, okay? Like a button that you push to adjust the temperature. The dishwasher detergent pods, most of the brands need a certain temperature of water to dissolve them. If it's not hot enough, it's not going to work. So check the temperature on your water heater and see what it is, okay? And if it's hot enough, then you know that's not the problem. If it's not hot enough, then you might want to turn it up just a little bit to see if you can reach that threshold to melt or dissolve the pot. The second reason is the water's not hot enough, but because hot water is not reaching the dishwasher. Now, this was the problem over here, okay? So basically, you might have your water heater set to a hot enough temperature, okay? But then, it's that hot water is not reaching the dishwasher. When you start your dishwasher, it fills for, I don't know, a few seconds, okay? It drains and then it fills for a few seconds. Now, in this house, because the house is a little bit larger and the pipes are old pipes that are fairly sized, okay, they're 1/2 inch throughout the house and 3/4 inch coming into the house, but I mean it should have been 1 inch coming into the house and 3/4 inch throughout the house because of the size of the house to feed the hot water quickly, okay? So we were starting the dishwasher in the morning. And in the morning, when you turn on the hot water on the faucet, it takes like 30 seconds for it to even get warm because the hot water's got to reach the upper level, the faucet on the upper level. So when we were starting the dishwasher, basically cold water was going in there. It's connected to the hot water pipe, but cold water was entering the dishwasher because the hot water wasn't running for long enough. So what we had to do was just basically turn on the faucet up there and make sure that the faucet, let me get my face on the camera over here. We had to turn on the faucet up there and make sure that the faucet was running hot water. Then we started the dishwasher. That just only adds an extra 30 seconds or so, but basically we had to make sure the hot water was going to enter the dishwasher, and that solved the problem. Now the pod dissolves. The third reason why your dishwasher pod is not dissolving is it's not actually entering the dishwasher. It's not reaching the water. And that can be because of the spring loading action not working. So right here, as you can see with this thing right here, it's spring load, you spring load it, and then the dishwasher pops it open. Okay, so basically either the spring loading is not working, okay, so it's not popping it open, or sometimes the dishwasher pod is too big that it gets stuck in there. So make sure your spring loading action is working properly, and make sure the pod is not too big where it gets stuck in here. Now the fourth reason is also the pod not reaching the water, but your spring loader might be working, okay? It might be small enough, but maybe it doesn't reach the bottom of the dishwasher. Your dishwasher only fills a little bit. If you ever see, your dishwasher has like just a tiny bit of water in it. If your pod gets stuck over here, or like ours was sometimes getting stuck over here, okay, where the lip was, it's not going to reach the water. It's not going to dissolve, or it might only partially dissolve. If your pod is partially dissolved, that could be the problem. So you want to look and make sure, like some people will put a cutting board right here. And then the cutting board takes up this entire section. The dishwasher pod cannot reach the water in there. Make sure you're loading your dishes appropriately. Make sure your pod has a clear pathway to get to where it needs to go. Very simple. So basically, either the water in the dishwasher is not hot enough because you haven't set it hot enough, or hot water is not reaching it, or the pod is not reaching that hot water that you have in there because the spring loader is not working, because the pod is a little too big for the spot over there, or because there's something obstructing its pathway. When you figure out which of those is the problem, you can solve it. It's that simple, okay? If your dishwasher detergent is not dissolving, that's how to fix it. Narrow down what the problem is by troubleshooting, and then it's an easy fix most of the time. But you got to figure out which one of these is the problem. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.